if you're in a chair about this height, not a stool, and it does not have armrests, you simply scoot to the edge of the chair. I'm going to stretch my right hip. I'm just going to bring it down like this and keep up and stretch it back like this, and I'm feeling that stretch right now. If I lean forward like this, you will not get as aggressive as a stretch, so try to keep up, shoulders back. You can hold this 15 to 30 seconds or stretch on and stretch off. That little bit right there, I can feel every time. Work that. Let's go to one standing.
The last option, we're going to show standing or in a kneeling position here. So to begin, we're basically going to do a lunge. Now, some of you may be really tight, so just bringing your leg back here and doing a little lunge, you're going to feel that pulling in there. That's where you begin. Obviously, you don't want to lean forward. This is going to destroy the stretch. Nice upright posture. If you're a beginner, hold on to support as needed. I have something like a countertop here and a stick. Work on progressing down. Now, if you can easily get down in this position as a beginner, you can just stretch from a kneeling position. I like to put some padding under my knee because it feels better. And then I'm actually going to lean forward into a deeper lunge. Notice my back is staying straight. As I'm doing this, I'm not bending forward, and you're really going to feel a good stretch here. Sometimes I like to just kind of move back and forth throughout it, or you can just hold it statically for 15 seconds. Make sure and you work both sides with the stretch, just like the other ones.
Yeah, if you don't work both sides, then you walk in circles.
Yes, I do that all the time.
Let's go to the next one. Okay, this next stretch is a really important one, and it's easy to do. You can do it lying down or you can do it in a chair. It stretches those small muscles around the hip, the rotators we call them. Go ahead, Mike.
So in a laying position, I'm going to be in a bent knee like this. I'm going to take my right leg to stretch first. I'm going to put my ankle at my knee joint here to begin. Then I'm going to push my knee down like this. You can use your hand if you need to, or you can just do it with your muscles. Try to hold this for 15 to 30 seconds. I like to push a little bit. The closer I have this leg, the more stretch I'm going to feel as well. If you start here, that's fine. Just stretch here. Over time, try to get more rotation out of it. And again, you want to work both sides and stretch them out. You may notice one side's tighter than the other, because I certainly do.
Now, the thing about this is you can do it in your bed, on the floor. It really doesn't matter. Now, you can do the same thing in a chair. This is a stretch I do every day. I incorporate it when I put my socks in and when I put my shoes on because I want to keep this motion really free. So as I get older, get more gray hair than this, I can get my shoes on without a problem. So simply go like this, and stretch down like this. Feels so good and it's so practical. I know a lot of older people, I've worked with them as patients.